Volcanoes are astounding forces of nature. They possess the power both to destroy and to create. Throughout the ages, we've built our cities in their shadows, drawn to their rich soils. From the depths of the ocean to grasslands and tropical forests, volcanoes help shape vibrant ecosystems. Join National Geographic photographer Karsten Peter and his team as they go where few would dare.
The whole thing is rumbling, the whole earth is shaking. It's absolutely incredible.
Discover the exciting science behind the Earth's origins. Every rock tells a story, so imagine what this one will reveal. Now playing on IMAX and giant screens.